Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes, and let's begin with the shortest one, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, you are provided with the email number of this device. Now we can open the software information, and the code for it is *##6776#. And here we've got the software version, so you can check the model, for example, kernel, branch, build time, and my region version. All right, now let's check another code, which is *##99#. And here we can enable the screen always on, and we can disable it the same way. So again, enter this code *##99#, and the screen always on is disabled. All right, so now we can enter manual hardware test, and the code for it is *##808#. And here we've got the assembly test projects, the production lines. We can check the MP3 test, for example, firmware version. Touch panel fail, okay. Retest. Okay. All right, let me enter it again. We've got also the device debugging. For example, we can check the touch screen, we can test it, the camera, media debugging, communication debugging, etc. So as you can see, a lot of things which you can check, which you can find, vibrations, etc. So I highly recommend to stay in this test and simply have fun. Now we can enter the Bluetooth test menu, which is *##805#. And here again, engineer mode, however, it takes us directly to the Bluetooth options. Another option, which is the echo test menu, and it is *##809#. And again, we've got the engineer camera, but this time product line test. Let's go back, and we can also open the Wi-Fi test menu. The code for it is *##803#. And we've got the Wi-Fi testing. Let's go back and let me show you another code for the hardware revision. It is *##888#. And here we've got the PCB number and the QR code, which we can scan and learn more about our device. So now we can open the phone information, which is *##4636#. And there we are in the testing, so we can check the phone information, for example, just like the phone number, data service or voice service. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. You can also run ping test here and enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. We've got also Wi-Fi information, for example, so you can check the status, you can refresh the stats, and check the SSID or network ID. All right, so that's all for this code. And another one, which is *##426#*##*#. And here we are in the diagnostics, so you can check the server, host port, time connected, or sign our last close code. After tapping on events, you've got some further details. You can also tap on the three dots icon and show advanced view just by marking it. Tap on the status, and here you've got more information. For example, about the network status. All right, so that will be all for this code. And the last one, to open the calendar information, it is *##225#*##*#. So here we've got the calendar info and all the events gathered in one place. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.